The Mamelodi Sundowns management shocked many by dismissing Manqoba Mnetsi and appointing Miguel Cardoso as their new coach, marking the beginning of a new era for the Tshwane Giants. Mnetsi exit follows just 5 months after his return to the head coach position, replacing Rulani Mokwena. His tenure was marked by pressure with losses in both legs of the MTN 8 semi-finals to Stellenbosch, a league defeat to Polokwane City, and a loss in the Telkom Knockout finals to Magesi. The poor start in the Champions League, earning only 2 points from their first two group stage matches, further has weakened his position. Mnetsi joined Masandawana in February 2014 from Golden Arrows, becoming an assistant coach to the legendary mentor Pitso Mosimane. Over the next 6 years, he played a key role in the club's success that saw him play a part in 5 league title wins, 3 South African Cup triumphs, and one of the causes of the 2015 to 2016 CAF Champions League crown. Supporters on the Twitter timeline had plenty to say regarding Mnetsi's departure from Sundowns, with many rather unsurprisingly choosing to stroll the ex-Golden Arrows boss. Here's a look on what the fans had to say on Twitter. Kabelo Mo said that Manqoba Mnetsi wasn't good enough. He knows it too. Should have been sacked by the Magesi Cup final loss. Stay away too long. Even comes out to say he prefers chasing after Pirates for the league title. Wadlala. And then we have His Excellency. He said that 10 years as Mamelodi Sundowns, but Manqoba Mnetsi couldn't even reach 20 games without hiding behind Pitso Mosimane or Rulani. Sundowns made him a millionaire just to hold an umbrella for others. This man has been stealing a living for a decade. And we have Nabi Nater. He said that Mamelodi Sundowns hired Miguel Cardoso a long time ago while Mnetsi was busy calling other coaches boy. They even made sure pen and letter of employment accompany his application for work permits, and once it was approved, Tlhopie pulled the trigger. That's it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video.